Tip number 1 is to write it down. Whatever your goal is, I want you to put pen to paper, not tapping it into your phone, not typing it onto your computer, but actually writing down your goals. The second tip is to use the word I. You are the only person who can use the word I in reference to yourself. Using the word I when we're talking about our goals helps us to connect more powerfully to them. The third and final tip is to speak in the present tense. This is going to help you knock out your shoulda, coulda, wouldas, I will do this, I should do that, and help you to create action. I do this. I eat more healthfully. I go to the gym this many days per week. I am a non-smoker. By taking these tips into account, it will help you to set even more effective goals moving into the new year and beyond.